What's up, guys? So, just took this live trade. I'm sorry I did not have time to put on the live stream before. Just came back from the gym. I'm still adjusting how long my time at the gym is because I've been starting to go into the sauna, and it just takes so long. But I feel amazing. But yeah, basically the logic is order block one, order block two, boom, propulsion block. Uh, there, speed up, target here. It seems we might actually get the bullish scenario and not the crash scenario, which I mean that's some good stuff. What we're looking for right now would be probably we might get the M1 order block validation right here, mm, which is good. Let me put on my camera as well. Face reveal. Here we go. I don't know where. I don't know how I do that though. Well, anyways, this would be a 1 minute order block right now. 1 minute order block from the 15-minute order block. Should be a very good setup. Now, some of you might be thinking, why wouldn't you sell up here? If this was likely to come back, right? Valid question. I mean, main reason is I'm learning the skill to not sell unless I have to. Like it could very well reverse sharply here, to be honest. I don't think so. I think we're gonna stay in the upper half. This being propulsion block. Shouldn't want to go so deep. Like it should not want to go that deep. Propulsion block, it should just want to chill in the upper half, you know. Now, what I'm looking for is if we get like this inverse fair value gap, could be a decent shot for a secondary entry. Let me pull up my document with my what makes a good trade checklist. Copy, paste. 11. Boom. Right. We look at what the bias is based on our time frame. Well, based on this sharp reversal, we would not have gone there if we were bearish in my eyes. We look for order blocks suggesting order flow in that direction. We had order block 1, you can argue, order block 2 here, or order block 1, order block 2, regardless. And then this all here, this whole move down here, order block 3 on the 15-minute. We got that's the wrong one. 2 order blocks in a row. Boom. We build up liquidity post validating the second order block. Yeah, we do. Sweep that. We sweep this liquidity, the leg up being a market maker model, in this case the leg down, and we get a lower time frame order block away from that. And that's my little entry here, validating that. See how this is our block? We go break this high, stops below there. Now I size very tinily because god damn, that's a big ass stop. Can't really afford that on my, but what I'm gonna do instead is look for secondary entries here, scale up position, hold it for the day. And if we find a very low risk setup, we could, but can't do this full size, then I'm risking the account. I'm not a god. Everyone is wrong. Yeah. So could be that we're in for a bit of consolidation here. Breakout below, stops above there, might go up and then down. Do we break this low here? It doesn't seem so. Let me check the NQ. Doesn't sweep it. Interesting. All right, order block. That's the higher time frame. Lower time frame. You can even say this. One could argue will be our order block. Well, we're still having a pretty solid run up in that instant. No, I meant, which one did I mean? Yeah, that one. So let's see if we can find another setup. Come on, up, down. That would be a good setup. And make this very high probability inverse for value gap. Right, what I'm looking at is breakout above, stops. Then we go down, sweep that liquidity. And then we start. That would be a good setup. All right, so we get a sweeper. Let me see in 30 seconds. Yeah, I mean, it did build up quite a lot of liquidity here, but not beautiful, but acceptable. That would mean basically we build up once, twice. It's a decent liquidity build up. I think up on close above, that is a setup I would be looking at. Would I take it if I did not have this? Good question. Thing is, I just think we're so bloody bullish here. So it will have to, right? see. Östra Götaland. This pattern happens pretty much every single day. I was kind of bummed out. I took this trade today off a 15-second order. I'm split testing like even lower time frame order blocks, which I mean it was decent scalp, but then I took partial there, got this manipulation, but if that order block down there would have been cleaner, I would have dared take it. Basically, we was bouncing off of this 1 minute order block there. How do we know? Look at standard deviation. What was it? This one? No, that's it's on the Nasdaq. Yeah. Yeah. So you see that? That means this is most likely the order block they're referring to. Most likely the order block, and so we then take the same principle, find liquidity. This is the order block we're referring to. Liquidity inside the order block from the order block. In this instance, I mean, this was 30-second one. I was looking for a 15-second one around there. That would have been cleaner, but we didn't get it. Seems we closed above. Seems we did not. Let's see how the liquidity buildup is here. Look at that respect though. Right, now we can scale even further. Order block from order block. 1, 2. Can we get the triple fill? Let's see. This should be like a 15-second one. Yeah. Let's see. Except a sweep below here. Every time it goes down here, they're filling up their positions. Let's see if we can find some. I mean, this is possible if they really want to fill up their trade. I think so. I'm going to move my stop down there. But right now, post validation, this will become another order block, right? People went long. Stops below there. Boom, swept. And so this entire move becomes a order block or a refill block. It's possible we might even be able to find a larger size trade here. This is major or what? This move here could take a while, which is okay. Man, we down now. Let's see, we don't like if it goes below 0.5 here, we might be offside. Gotta be very, very careful around that price point. Because if this is indeed a propulsion block, it should not. Come on, bullish manipulation here. Sweep these highs. 15-second bearish. It's not good if we just sweep this lower without any bullish manipulation first. Because then it's like, it's not any real order flow or liquidity being created, right? You need a, see, this is not good. This is not good. It might be offside here. Yeah. Damn. That sucks. That really sucks because I really thought that would be such a good setup. But no, that is interesting. What is our bias then? If we go down, break this lower, sus. Let me clean this up. Yeah, maybe I should take partials. It's what I'm studying. Let's see. I gotta check I don't have any orders. No orders. Good. It's a clean inverse as well. So okay, let's say we're bearish then. Probably are offside if we get the break of the propulsion block, being this one. Interesting. Let me study here. Fuck it. We'll have to look lower time frame then. Might be a consolidation day, to be honest. I mean, I'll show you what we're looking at on the daily. What we're looking at here is this pattern that's coming to shape. And whatever we break out, that's going to be a major inducement, liquidity triggering event, right? Uh, and so we would have wanted the bullish breakout first. If we are bullish, boom, people go long. Stops below there. We go down, sweep those stops, respect this order block, and then we induce people, right? People would go short, and that would basically be the bullish scenario. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, so we broke it. Look at that. Look, if we get the propulsion block, it breaks midpoint, then you're probably offside. So I'm probably wrong here. But let's look at it then. Because you fooled me pretty damn good. Västra Götaland. Yeah, let's wait for the retracement till we tap into this one again, and I don't think we can do too much until then. Jesus. All right, I might put on another live if we get some liquidity before we tap into this. It's also possible we're just gonna keep falling because it's already gotten like a solid fill there. But yeah, still a lot to learn from this, especially the when it breaks 0.5. If we do that, okay, that's something to be very aware of. For me, I might try to take the partial even better, try to build a framework for that. But I was so low size, and I was thinking the whole move would be a daily. And my strategy is extremely high risk reward. That's my thing. And so we didn't get that. If I was right, then I mean it would have been some trade, right? But yeah, let's see what we get. Peace out.